Normally, when do we parents get wild? It's when our children don't listen to us, they throw tantrums, or they make some mistakes. How can we as parents deal with this? Number one, normalize the mistake. Tell them it's okay. You have spilt milk. It's all right. You tore a paper. It's okay. Mama also spills sometimes. It happens. But next time, see that you don't do it. Now, what happens? You are trying to build the self image of the child, not letting him down. The child is able to understand it's all right if something goes wrong by mistake when we don't intend to do it. The child is able to understand that mama also makes mistakes. Now, coming to the second point, connect and redirect. What happens if the child comes and tells, I like this person a lot, or I like this teacher? How do we react? Wow, subhanallah, mashallah, it's very nice. Nice to see that you like people. On the other hand, if the child comes and tells, I hate this man, this teacher is no more my friend. Now what happens? Astaghfirullah. How did you say that? Why do you want to tell this? Now we totally change the reaction. Whereas expressing their feelings is something normal. We have in the brain right and left hemisphere. Right hemisphere is associated with feelings and emotions, whereas left hemisphere is associated with logic. It has only logical thoughts. So we need to initially build that bonding or the sense of connectivity. Only then we are able to deal with this. We get wild unnecessarily. We need to understand that emotions are freely flowing. Now, if I ask my child, what makes you feel so bad about this band or this teacher? Why do you hate him? And the child comes up with some excuses. He says, these are the reasons I hate this man. Okay, fine. If I were in your condition, if I were in your situation, even I would do the same. If I say that, now what happens? Automatically, the child's mind comes into a receptive mode. He is able to receive something. He is understanding. Why? He feels that my mom is like me. Whenever the mind feels that any person is like me, then we tend to listen to them. Number 3, maintain calm tone. I know it's very difficult for parents, including me. It's a very challenging task, but we need to do it and show our kids that we are the role model that they need to follow. Show them being calm is one of the signs of a true Muslim. Number 4, train your mind. This is very important. As I said in my previous video, try to journal all the points that triggers you the most. What makes you get stimulated? What makes that ignition? What creates that ignition? What is the reason for getting furious? Is there any variable or is there any alterations that can be done to reduce this anger? Try to journal it down so you consciously know about your emotions. Next comes the 5th point, which says take control over your emotions. It is we who need to control our emotions and not emotions control us. Let us have a happy and a blessed life ahead. Do watch the upcoming videos for a transformational change.